Hi, my name is Marc Osgood. I'm here for the week teaching a class on building a laser that actually works. And it can be used for cutting marquetry, or it has a table on it that drops down so you can put a rotary device in it for doing glassware or thermos bottles, whatever you'd like to do on a rotary table. We have 5 students this week, and they've ordered parts from a supplier that I've dealt with many times and brought the parts. One of the goals of the class is that they'll learn how to make a laser right here, do the wiring, the electronics, and then if they want a bigger one in the future, they'll be able to go and do that on their own. The size laser we're making is 20 inches by 12 inches. So my main interest is making bicycles, wooden bicycles, but I also enjoy doing marquetry, and I brought an example of the marquetry that was cut on the machine that we're making here in class. And it's a guitar case. First I made a guitar case, and then I did the marquetry on top. This is the first year we've done the laser class. Next year I think we'll have a build a laser class on the schedule, and there's links provided below. You can link to maybe this year's class, but also you can see all the fantastic classes that they offer here at the school. I think this year marks up in the 200s somewhere, different classes. People come from all over the world to teach here, and there's this amazing woodworkers and people that do other crafts too.